Igongona rĩa kugira uhoro uria urari muikariri gitu wa kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka IEBC Wafula Chebukati rihanikire gwake mucii gicigo-ini gia Saboti kaunti-ini ya Trans Nzoia.
The young Chebukati got admission to the prestigious Lenana School for his A-levels.
Na atongoria ikiro ngurani hamwe na wari ni President William Ruto ni mekinyirie guku na kuheana iteo ciao cia muthia. No ta uria matanya marari uteti wa githurano kia mwaka wa 2022 niwonekanire kuoya uritu munene miario-ini ya atongoria. President Ruto akiuga ati Chebukati ni onanirie ucamba munene akianirira moimirira ma githurano kiu na ati Chebukati agutura mafuku-ini ma kiririkano bururi-ini uyu.
Wafula Chebukati was intelligent, courageous and a man of great integrity. Huyu Chebukati is a shujaa and a hero of our nation. I say so as the President of Kenya, without any fear of qualification, equivocation, or any doubt in my mind that that is correct.
Wakati historia ya taifa hili letu litaandikwa katika siku za usoni, wakati mambo itakuwa imetulia, watakapotoa orodha ya moja ya wale mashujaa taifa hili iliwahi kuwa nao, jina la Wanyonyi Chebukati haliwezi kukosa kati ya hao mashujaa.
Ruto augite ati Chebukati aratungataga ari na waragania na hatari na ugumania na muno akirongoreria ndagika cia muthia mbere ya moimirira ma githurano kinene kianireirwo mwaka wa 2022. Ruto akiuga ati hinya na mbeca nyingi ni ciageretie kuhuthika kuguoyohia Chebukati, no akihanda eyumitie.
Wafula Chebukati, if he was another person, we wouldn't be having the Kenya as we know it today. He went through great intimidation. He announced the elections under great difficulty. But he chose to do the right thing rather than be intimidated or rather than be compromised.
Atongoria angi onao no magathiriirie Chebukati ari mundu urarugamagira na kugitira gatiba ya bururi agitungata.
Chebukati kept his eye on the ball, and the country is where it is.
He was guided by a simple principle: fidelity to the law, fidelity to the constitution.
Mutongoria wa ODM Raila Odinga uria macindanaga na Ruto githurano-ini kiu ndanekinya mathiko-ini maya ona thengia wa gukorwo riu ni mathondekete ndugu yake uteti iria irathimideirwo ni ngeithi muthenya wa ira. Governor wa Trans Nzoia George Natembeya akiuga ati giki ni kionereria ati bururi no mugayukanu.
Hata wale ambao wananyoosha mikono na kusema walifanya hivi sio wasafi. Yeye alikuwa tu kwa public life, high profile job, kila kitu ambaye anafanya na kuwa scrutinized. Sisi pia tulikuwa scrutinized, ndugu zangu. Kuna mtu ambaye hatapatikana na dosari.
Ona kuhana uguo, President ni ateteire ngeithi ciake na Raila akiuga ati cirongoreirie kunyitithania bururi.
Tumekubaliana ya kwamba hatutaki tena Kenya ya ubaguzi ama ukabila ama chuki ama migawanyiko, kwa sababu ukabila na chuki na migawanyiko haiwezi kutusaidia kwenda mbele kama taifa.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV ritwa rĩakwa nĩ Kimani Wangũnjiri.